Artist, how are you? I think you are good, and I am also good. So, in this video, I am going to talk about very interesting topic, and the topic is that how can you convert your every problem is an opportunity. Of course, everyone want to convert this every problem of his life as an opportunity, but sometimes we get nervous, we get frustrated, we also get sad, even that sometimes we give up. But in this video I will try to give you some strategies by which if you will follow my strategies, if you will follow my rules, then you can convert every problem of your life as an opportunity. Because if problem will not come in your life, then you cannot grow in your life. If you want to grow in your life, then problem is very need. So you need to try what I am going to say. I am not going to elaborate it. I am going to give you very important tips, very the principal rule of the success. So if you know that so many people who everyone of this world is facing problem, no matter what type of the problem they are facing, but every one of this person, every one person of this world is facing problem. The person who is living in this earth, every person is facing different type of problem, and the problem, some problem is very big, some problem is small. So, and so many people who get success and in his life, and they overcome every type of problem in his life, and they conquer to every type of problem of his life. After that they success, and they become success in his life. But some people, when problem come front of him, then when problem came front of him, then they gave up, and they gave up and they did not success in his life. So you need to understand that how can you convert your problem to an opportunity. Because everyone want to get success in his life, and everyone is facing some small and some big type of problem, but they don't know how can be utilize that problem as a opportunity. Because if you can do this, then you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Because if you will go to read about any one person, or any one great person, then you will find if that great person is become famous, so they faced so many problem in his life, then they became famous. Without problem, no man is no man became famous. Everyone faced different type of problem, different type of difficulties in his life, and they conquer every type of difficulty. They did not afraid that type of difficulty. They tried to fight with them. They did not run away from them. They tried to face every type of problem with courage, with enthusiasm, with zeal, and they conquered over that. So you need to understand what type of formula they applied in his life, how can he ran his life by which got success in his every field of his life, and they became very famous. So if I will take example of the Mahatma Gandhi, so if you know about the Mahatma Gandhi, then there are so many problems he faced during the course of life, but he did not but he did not give up. He did not give up in his life, and so many times he have to face the problem of the police, he have to face the problem of the court, and sometimes he had to go for the prison. And but even that they did not lose his courage, and they tried to conquer on the problem. And of course they tried to conquer on the problem till the last breath of night life. And if you know about the Mahatma Gandhi, everyone know about the Mahatma Gandhi nowadays, and he is also called our Rashtrapita. So you can understand, no man became famous, no person became famous without challenging of any problem. If you will not face a problem, you will not able to become a strong person. You are not able to solve any type of difficulty of his life. You cannot able to grow. If you want to grow in your life, then you need to face problem. You need to gi- you need to try to find out the solution of that problem by which you can get more success in your life. So I am going to give you some tips by which you can conquer every type of problem in your life. So the first tip is never give up. Never give up in your life. Never give up in your life. Because if you will give up, what will you get? You will nothing get. But if you will not give up, you will something get. You need to understand the logistic of my sentence, what I am going to trying to say. I am saying if you will give up, you will nothing get. But if you will not give up, you will something get. So never give up in your life and try to find good solution of your problem. When you go to solve the problem, if the result does not come in one chance, result does not come after one try, result does not come after two try, result does not come after three try, then you need to do hard work. You need to do intense hard work till the last breath of life. Because if you can do this, if you can change your attitude like this, if you can if you can think this, of course nobody can stop you to get the success of in your life. You can get success in your life, but you have to change your attitude. You have to believe in yourself, because belief system is very important people that you can use to change the world. So you have to understand the method of that I mean the method of our mind don't want to do hard work. Our mind want that if our mind want to get success overnight, but it's not possible. If you want to get success, then you need to do hard work and it will take time. If you are thinking that I will get success overnight, then it's not possible. So you need to patience, you need determination, you need to commitment, you need to preservation. If you can do like this, and you need to acquire knowledge every time, no matter knowledge from where that type of knowledge is coming, you need to acquire that type of knowledge every time in your life. Then you can change your problem in your a opportunity. Because I am talking about the if I am talking about the sona gold, I mean gold. So when you go to find out how did the gold make, so you will find the gold bear so many type of I mean pen, so many type of pen they build, that gold beard, then now it is shining. So you need to understand that in this universe, if you are living in this universe, if you are living any planet of this universe, then you need to understand problem need to in your life. If you will go to find out what is the rule of success, how people get success, how do people get success. And when you will go to ask 10 successful people in your city, in your country, that how could they achieve success, so you will find that they one thing is common. The thing is that they faced problem with courage, with zeal, with enthusiasm, and they never complain in the life, and they change every problem as an opportunity. Because they know without problem we cannot grow, without problem we cannot create to ourselves as a strong person. We can Without problem we cannot learn more, without problem we cannot make to ourselves as a human who can change the world. And without problem you cannot able to increase your thinking power. So problem is necessary in your life. And yeah, I know sometimes we get frustrated when problem very big problem can come in our life. But you need to understand that time is not same every time. If you are facing any big difficulties in your life, so after some time that problem will go, that problem will go, of course will go, they will go. you need to patience, you need to believe on yourself, because time is not a same in every time. If you are not, if you today you are facing a small type, a big type of problem, of course it may be happen that tomorrow you will also face that type of problem, but after tomorrow the day is beautiful, the day is shining. So you need to patience. And yeah, I know most of the people, when they was facing a problem, when they are facing the problem, they did not talk to any one person with good manner. They did not they always complain to outside that because of this thing I cannot get success, because of that thing I cannot get that thing. So they always complain to outside. But when you try to change your problem as an opportunity, of course you will get success. But our mind does not believe on this truth. How can we control to our mind, how can we tell to our mind that it is the right way of the success, that you need to change to our problem to as a your problem as an opportunity? How can we believe to, how can we program our mind, how can we program our mind as in this manner? Of course it is very difficult to ask, because we are diverted, we are distracted by so many outside obstacles in his life. So that's why our mind go to indulge with that, in our mind indulged with that. When you understand that how can you convert your problem as an opportunity, then it does not take easily. So you need to tell him that you need to believe him that it is it is truth of this universe, that your problem will convert your life, your problem will alter your life, because they have so many power in your problem has too much power. So if you want to believe to your mind that problem is need in your life, then uh, you need to do some type of exercise, because we as a human beings, we are also like a machine. If you will focus in your mind, if you will focus in your body, then your body is also like a machine. So you need to program your body, your mind with good thoughts, with good way, with good uh, good books, and with good teachers. You need to program your mind by the help of this. If you can do this, then you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Okay, so you can so first I told you that you never gave up in your life. And the second thing is, never complain outside thing, that because of this I am not getting this. Never complain outside problem, because you are not alone in this earth who is facing problem. You are not alone, so many people is facing different type of the problem. What are you saying, what you are saying, why you are saying that I am facing this problem? And number of the people in the upon this earth facing the problem. No matter if you are facing the financial problem, if you are facing, if you are facing the family problem, if you are facing different type of academic problem, then you felt you feel that my problem is so big, I cannot solve my problem. But it is not happen. Everyone is facing problem, so many person who face so many difficult type of problem, and after that they got success in his life. So you need to understand what they did, and how can I convert our problem, how can I alter our life in the other way. So you need to understand, and you need to welcome to your problem come, and I will challenge, I will face you, and I will solve you, I will conquer you, and I will show you that what am I. So you need to understand why your power, because we will die without knowing our full potential. This is the truth. We will die without knowing our full potential. You have infinite potential. If you want to do something, nobody can stop you, if you will not stop to you. So you need to understand what is your power. If you will not tell to yourself I cannot do, then nobody can stop you to do. Okay? So you need to understand your power. Einstein is the uh, Einstein is the most intelligent person upon this earth, and he used 3% of his mind ever upon this earth. And how much percent mind you and me using? I don't know. So you need to understand our humans psychology, and you need to understand your power, your potential, because if you want to do something, nobody can stop you, and you can do, and you can change your problem as good opportunity. And if you are facing, if you are sometime in your life when you do demotivate, then you need to read some book, you need to program your mind with good books, and then you need to indulge with good ideas, because if you can do this, then you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. So I stopped to make this video, and I will see you in the next video. I think you learn that how can you change your problem, how can you change your problem and is an opportunity. So I think it was very interesting topic for you, and radhe radhe. I will see you in the next video. Radhe radhe.